Root canals are a common dental procedure that many people undergo at some point in their lives. It is a treatment that is used to save a tooth that is badly decayed or infected. While root canals have a reputation for being painful and time-consuming, they are actually a relatively quick and painless procedure when performed by a skilled dentist. Many people wonder how long a root canal procedure takes, so in this video, we will explore the steps involved in a root canal and give you an idea of how long the procedure typically takes. First, let's start by discussing what a root canal is and why it is necessary. A root canal is performed when the inner tissues of a tooth, known as the pulp, become infected or inflamed. This can happen due to severe tooth decay, trauma to the tooth, or a cracked tooth. If left untreated, the infection can spread to the surrounding tissues and bone, causing pain and swelling. During a root canal procedure, the dentist will numb the area around the affected tooth with a local anesthetic to ensure that you do not feel any pain during the procedure. Once the tooth is numb, the dentist will create a small opening in the top of the tooth to access the pulp chamber and root canals. The next step involves removing the infected or inflamed pulp from the tooth. This is done using special dental instruments, and the dentist will carefully clean and shape the inside of the tooth to remove any bacteria or debris. Once the tooth is cleaned, the dentist will fill the root canals with a biocompatible material called gutta percha to seal them and prevent any further infection. After the root canals are filled, the dentist will place a temporary filling or crown on the tooth to protect it while a permanent restoration is being made. This can take a few days to a few weeks, depending on the complexity of the restoration needed. So, how long does a root canal procedure take? On average, a root canal procedure typically takes between 90 minutes to 2 hours to complete, depending on the complexity of the case. However, some root canals can take longer if there are multiple root canals to be treated or if the tooth is in a difficult location to access. It is important to note that the length of the root canal procedure can vary from case to case, and your dentist will be able to give you a more accurate estimate based on your specific needs. It is also important to follow your dentist's post-operative instructions to ensure a successful recovery and long-term success of the root canal treatment. Root canals are a common dental procedure that is necessary to save a tooth that is badly decayed or infected. While root canals have a reputation for being painful and time-consuming, they are actually a relatively quick and painless procedure when performed by a skilled dentist. On average, a root canal procedure takes between 90 minutes to 2 hours to complete, but this can vary depending on the complexity of the case. If you are in need of a root canal, do not hesitate to seek treatment from a qualified dentist to save your tooth and alleviate any pain or discomfort you may be experiencing.